Hey guys, welcome back to Ballards by Design, and today we're going to be making some super easy 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies using peanut butter, sugar, and 1 egg.
Alright, so we're gonna start with our half a cup of sugar. So we're gonna get that, pour it in the bowl.
Alright, and then next we're going to add 1 cup of peanut butter. I'm going to be using a spoon to get it out, just for convenience.
I'll put the lid back on. Well, while he's scooping that, I'm gonna go ahead and crack the egg in there. Alright, and now we have our cup of peanut butter, so I'm gonna add that in, or...
It might be easier to scrape some of it out.
You have that knife. Yeah, I like that. It's time to mix our batter. And make sure that everything is combined well. Alright, our batter is looking good. So I'm gonna get some of this off of here.
Out of the way.
Alright, our dough is done mixing, and here is the finished look.
Alright, so now that we're done mixing, we're going to be forming them into little balls. So we'll start on that.
Take
about a spoonful.
Yeah. Just roll them up. So there's mine. And now we're gonna do the peanut butter cookie imprint. Just like this. Boom. Alright, we're done.
Alright, so now that we're done shaping our cookies, we're going to place them into the oven for about 10 minutes.
Alright, the cookies are done. So now we're gonna take them out the oven and let them sit for about 10 minutes. Then it'll be time to taste them, y'all. Here's how they look. Alright, y'all. And because our cookies were kind of small, it only needed 8 minutes instead of the 10.
So we're going to let these cool off for about 10 minutes and then we'll come back for a taste review.
Alright, the cookies are done. And now it's time to bring the taste testers in. Come on, y'all.
Hey, guys.
Peanut butter cookies.
Mm-hmm.
I can smell them. Brooke can smell them too.
That going in for first try.
Let us know how it tastes, cause we only use 3 ingredients.
Ladies first.
What y'all think?
Nice and soft. Smells
Oh man.
wonderful. I just keep fumbling, y'all.
You want to split in half or you want to get your...
Spilling.
That is delicious.
It is so good.
Good job.
And this is only 3 ingredients. A cup of peanut butter, half a cup of sugar, and just 1 egg.
That
Delicious, family. You gotta have something to drink with it, I tell you.
Indeed, it
is
is.
so extra.
Or take your time when you're eating it. Don't stuff your face like me.
Brew wine and he said he wants some.
Brew can't get that.
Delicious.
Well, we're glad y'all like it. All right. That's it for the video, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch y'all in another video.
Bye.
Love y'all big.
As always, thank you so much for watching Ballards by Design. We'll catch you on the next video.